If you love visiting and photographing waterfalls as much as I do, but hate the inevitable long down and uphill hike to reach them, then let me show you some of the most easily accessible and photogenic waterfalls on the Sunshine Coast. The first is Buderim Falls, also known as Serenity Falls. It's located in Buderim Forest Park, a 90-minute drive from Brisbane. The waterfall flows year-round but looks particularly spectacular after rainfall, which transforms the falls from a trickle into a strong cascade of water down the rock face and into the shallow water hole below. For photographers, easy access around the small water hole provides an opportunity for many different compositions. It would have been nice to have a bit more water on this visit. Fortunately, I've been able to capture the falls with good flow on other trips here. The creek flowing out of the rock pool creates a great leading line. You can access the fall via two paths. One involves a short downhill walk to the top of the waterfall, while the other follows a 600-metre wooden boardwalk and then a bit of a rock hop to the bottom of the rock pool. Because of the easy access to Serenity Falls, it can get quite busy on the weekends, so I would suggest, if you can, coming on a weekday. The wooden high-arch Serenity Bridge not only allows you to cross the creek, it also offers a spectacular elevated view of the falls. A bit further down the creek are a number of small cascades, which, when the creek is really flowing, make a great photo. The next waterfall is Kondalilla Falls, located in Kondalilla National Park, just north of Montville in the Sunshine Coast hinterland. When you enter the park, it doesn't take long to reach the very pretty cascade at Picnic Rock. I definitely recommend stopping here, as there are plenty of compositions to be had. From Picnic Rock, it's a 1.2 kilometre walk along the Condola Falls circuit to reach the rock pool which feeds Kondalilla Falls. A large cascade feeds the rock pool, which is a great place to swim on a hot day. You can get views of Kondalilla Falls from the top, but if you're up for it, the best way to see the falls is to do the complete circuit. Be warned though, there are 300 steps involved. On this particular day, I only went halfway down to a lookout where you can still get spectacular views of the falls. Last but not least is Gardners Falls just outside of Mullaney. This 5-metre rocky waterfall is part of Obi Creek. The creek and the rock pool below the waterfall are a great place for a swim on a hot day, and there's plenty of room along the bank of the creek for a picnic as well. For photographers, there's a lot of great cascades to practice your long exposure shots on. Again, because Gardners Falls is so accessible, it can get quite busy on weekends. So I would suggest if you can get here on a weekday, then definitely do it. I hope you enjoyed this short guide to some of the best waterfalls on the Sunshine Coast. If you liked it, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.